Hey everybody, Greg with Drifter Journey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Monument Grill's 55,000 series griddle. It's a 2-burner griddle. They did send it to us at no charge. And we're going to go ahead and make some pancakes today. We already made some ribs on it. I did make a slight mess of it, so maybe our pancakes are going to taste extra good. The package itself comes with, it's disassembled for the most part, but you only need a Phillips head screwdriver to put it all together. It was pretty quick, pretty easy. The instructions were really good. There are 2 burners. They run this way. It's 15,000 BTUs total. It comes with a 40-inch propane hose. It goes onto a standard propane tank, and it has this in case the igniters aren't working. You can put a match on it, stick it in there, light it manually. There's also a little drip grease tray that comes out the back. So there's a hole in the back of the griddle top, and the grease just works its way down. So yeah, we are going to go ahead and make some pancakes today. And if you're in the market for a portable style griddle to camp with, maybe check this one out. We'll put a link to the product below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's see how this goes. See, so to turn the knob slowly. I didn't hear the gas at first there. Ignite. Okay, so doing a little preheat, although I don't think we need much heat for these, right? Not. So I'm gonna just turn them down. We're just gonna make some pancakes and see what happens.
We're using a gluten-free pancake mix called Namaste Gluten-Free. We haven't had it before, so I'm not really sure how to tell when they're done, but I'm guessing golden brown is about there.
I don't often make food, but when I do, it's usually on the grill. And we brought peanut butter and honey out for these, but I got ahead of myself and just been eating them. They're not bad. Thanks for watching.